Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make a Google form on a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on PC. It doesn't matter. This is really convenient to go and do. As with the form, you can go and collect data. Perhaps you're trying to go and do a survey, or you're trying to go and get people registered for something. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser or use Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Come to Google. Make sure sign in. There is a sign in button in the top right, and you can press the apps button in the top right. Then what we can do here is go and scroll down, and we can go and tap on the form. Now, a new form is going to go and be made. As you can see, what we can do at the top here is go and give it a title. You can then go and give it a description as well. Now we can start adding questions, so we can tap Untitled Question. Now, what you can do is choose the answer type. For example, we will go and set this to short answers. It's a name, and we'll make sure it's required to go and add another U. Left a plus at the bottom like so. There are different formatting things you can do. As well, now on the right side, for example, to the right, you could add a whole new section. You can add photos, images, and text to go and share it. Press the paper plane icon in the top right, and we can then go and publish it like so. And then what we can do is go and press the link button at the top, and we could then go and copy that, and you can send it to people, and then you can come back here, and you can go and check out the responses. If you found this useful, then leave a like.